Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this and somebody asked me how that person or how I drew it. I didn't draw it, somebody drew it. And I asked for his permission if I could show how to draw this because I think I figured it out. I want to work in the center of the page. I'm not going to make mine maybe identical. I'm going to hold down the control button. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I am going to draw a rectangle and make it 2 inches. And I am going to round off the corners just by 1 inch, and that equals everything. Then I hit P and put it in the center of the page. Maybe I'm going to make it a little squattier and hit P. We're still at 2 inches. So take a 2-inch ellipse, hit P, select both these items and hit B for bottom, change your nudge factor to 2 inches, hit the plus key on your keyboard. That's pretty much it, with the exception we need to draw a line through there. So if you go with your 2-point line from quadrant to quadrant, then you know you're perpendicular. And then just delete this part of the line and this part of that. That's all there's to it. Pretty easy design. Let's take the Smart Fill tool, set on black. We'll take, and to make it better so we won't have an outline, I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. So I won't have to weld it together. I'm still using his file, so it's CMYK. And then select it all and right click, no outline. So there won't be a line there. Man, it's pretty identical to his. I didn't even measure anything. 1240, wow. I wonder if his box is probably 2 inches big. And I don't know, when people send me stuff, if it comes through. Yeah, he's 2 inches. Anyway, that's how he drew it. It's pretty cool. If you used a lighter color on your outside, you could actually probably play around with a little shadow of this pull top. But that'd be if anybody'd be interested, that'd be another video. We could try it real quick. And if you're, that's going to give me a shadow over the whole thing. Let's try a block shadow. Well, yeah, I was going to say we could just make that doesn't look too bad. And then go up to Object, break the block shadow apart, grab the block shadow, and you can tell right here we have that, and go up to Effects and Blur and Gaussian Blur. And look at that. Well, we can go ahead and use that, and then take the, let's change our nudge factor like 0.01. Because we don't want the block shadow on the top at all. And then maybe even over to the right. Because we don't want any block shadow on top. Maybe not. I think it looks better without. Anyway, I hope that helped that viewer, and thank you for watching.